Okay, sagutin natin to. Walang may sabi na carbs lang ang cause ng obesity. Walang may sabi. Ang sinasabi namin, major, hindi absolute, hindi overall, hindi total, hindi 100%. Major cause ang carbs. Major. Okay, major. Hindi namin sinabing yun lang. Hindi. Wala may sabing ganun. Yes, genetics may be a factor, namana, etc., 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 etc. But at the end of the day, the reversal or the prevention would still be lowering carbs if not removing it entirely. Yun pa rin ang magiging reversal, yun pa rin ang magiging prevention. Yun pa rin. So, ganun pa rin.